Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford keyless entry remote. Used for different years, different models: Crown Victoria, Escape, Escort, Expedition, Explorer, F-Series, Town Car, Grand Marquis, also of course Lincoln, Aviator, very common one. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. As long as your keyless entry looks like that, you will be able to replace it. What I use is a flathead screwdriver, not too big, not too small. And as you can see, there is right here in between, there is a slot, and I just insert the screwdriver and turn clockwise, okay? A few different spots. It may be easier for you with your remote. This is a brand new one. And then I just open it. As you can see, here is the battery. Comes out very easily. CR2032, okay? And face down. So the plus sign, as you can see here, we just take the new battery, put it back, and close the remote, and we're all good. No need to reprogram or anything like that. You're good to go. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.